Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening DTI and signing in. This gets you into the exact interface where the emoji picker lives. Once done, make sure the app is updated. Older versions hide newer emoji sets. Next, enable your keyboard's emoji input and grant DTI any keyboard or media permissions it requests, because without that the picker won't display. Now go to a text field inside DTI so your keyboard appears. This is where the search and insertion will actually begin. With your keyboard visible, tap the emoji icon to open the picker. You'll see categories and a search box at the top. Type egg. If nothing shows, try synonyms like oval, food, breakfast, or the regional keyword. Once you see candidates, use long press on similar icons, circle, white circle, or poultry, to reveal hidden variants. Also, switch between system and custom DTI emoji sets using the picker's tabs, because the egg may exist in one set, but not another. When you locate the egg emoji, tap it to insert and verify it renders in the message field. This confirms compatibility. If it's missing, first switch keyboards. System keyboard often has the full set. Then clear keyboard cache or reinstall DTI, since cached resources sometimes hide emojis. If problems persist, restart your device and check for system emoji updates or region settings, because emoji availability can depend on OS version and locale. One troubleshooting tip: try a different keyboard app to isolate whether DTI or the keyboard is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.